silver to gold. Okay, we're good. Got this. Easy. I'm taking Mercy. Do you want Mercy?
No, have it. Oh,
Okay. You're better Anna than I can be. But if you want Mercy, let me know. I'll switch. You can do it.
don't worry, boys. It's okay.
Jeez, don't say that. I'm hungry.
Okay, pizza. Yeah.
Also, still hungry.
Sorry, it's mean.
Lasagna, spaghetti bolognese, cottage
Chicken
pie.
parmesan.
Oh my god, I had that for lunch. I can't.
Okay,
I can't
okay.
complain.
Okay, do
So
you
good.
have eggplant on your chicken parmies?
No, we don't do that.
You're doing it wrong.
Well,
Chicken parmesan.
we just don't do that here. No, I don't know.
No, okay. You make up the chicken palmy at home. Fry up some eggplant,
Well,
then put it on
pick.
top of the chicken, and then put your sauce mixture on top of that. And trust me, it'll be the best palmy you've ever had.
I don't know if I've tried eggplant much.
Yeah,
Baby Diva, any?
honestly, so good.
Asher, yeah, okay.
I love you, Widow.
What?
It's amazing. What DPS?
Oh,
person-
they're not in voice anyway. Because
Okay, you're good. Oh god,
He's
I'm
just
dead.
bad positioning.
Yeah. That's my fault, I guess.
No, it's not.
I know I'm healing you.
Why is the DPS's positioning your fault?
Junk is anti for
I
now.
could've just healed them and that positioning would have worked.
No, that's not how it works.
Reloading.
I got heals. Okay, good.
Junk is on our Widow.
Behind.
Yeah, I've seen that. A second too late. Should I rest? Oh no.
Got it.
Nice, big.
Juno flanking.
Reloading.
And Junkrat.
I'm just keeping the main fight going right now.
Oh, I'm trying to keep you alive. I can res you in 3 seconds. 2, 1.
No one can hide.
Tank pot.
Thank you, Angela.
Okay, I
Okay,
guess
let's
Soldier doesn't want my
come back
nano.
to- Fuck Soldier. He's fucking stupid.
No, it's not my type.
You should nano Orisa. That's what you should do.
Oh really? The DPS, you mean?
No. You are the DPS.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
The whole time.
You should nano the Orisa. Orisa's popping.
Well,
his
let me get
pussy.
ult first. Let me get ult.
Oh no, Bob's out.
Asleep.
Big. Oh shit.
Gonna have to. You're low.
Actually huge.
Big.
Anti.
Oh shit, no! No, I fell off the lip.
I used a pole to survive.
Give it asleep for now.
Did Junk survive that? No way. Okay,
Give it anti behind.
yeah.
That diva only killed me though, so unless Soldier got squished after, the ult only got me.
I won't give in.
Okay, I almost have my ult. I'm just gonna farm it. I don't care if I die here.
I can't see you. There we go.
Huge. I don't even have to die. And I got ult as well.
No dying for you.
Diva's
Anna's on
one.
her way back. 97 on ult.
No one can hide from my sight.
Give anti.
I'm gonna pop ult.
Diva popped.
Nice, big.
I'm gonna
Just
ult.
Keep going. Yes, nice. Oh, fucking perfect. Hello, what the hell?
Hey, I'm 12-0.
Your pulse has increased.
I've died so many times, I don't talk about it. Oh, I've only died once?
Hey,
Felt like more than that.
Are you frightened? Your pulse has
Right here. They have Sombra now. They have Sombra. Here.
okay.
Nice.
Sombra's main.
Reloading.
I'm hacked. I'm being thrown around a lot.
You got you.
Thank you.
Oh, come back. Tiny
Oh,
bit.
I might die here.
They anti.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Huge res. I am back.
Reloading.
Back again.
Zonk anti behind.
Back right behind.
Oh fuck
Oh, I'm
off.
so dead to that.
I'm dead.
Just kidding. I don't have res for 6
Oh god,
seconds.
oh god, oh god, oh god.
I need to hold your heal, otherwise you're dead.
Yeah, thank you.
my ultimate is ready.
Okay, perfect.
I'll keep you up.
I maybe killed Juno? No, she got back up.
Must sting.
Tanks better pop, tanks better pop. Tank pop.
Activizing on soldier.
Yes, it's
Popping
huge.
up.
I make the world.
We have problems behind, I think, but we can't do much about that right now. Oh, Junkrat behind.
He's the only one left. Watch out for his trap.
Yeah, I got him. Oh no, he fully healed!
Yeah,
Oh my God,
the
I'm in.
200 health pack over there.
I got it. He's dead.
I've got my ult. Do we have nano? No.
No, we used on soldier.
Right here.
David's anti for now. There's a more left.
I'm dead
Laura's
here.
dead. I can res.
You should not be able to res that.
I know, but I did. I got you.
I don't hack out of my ult! Fuck!
Junkrat.
Mercy, where is she?
Just
Junkrat's just blitzed me.
they go in, they go in.
I'm gonna go Zarya for the last fight.
Why is there a... You were literally looking at the Sombra Widow. What the... Anyway.
Because they can't do anything right now unless they smoke.
Oh shit.
More no fade behind.
I'm with soldier. Oh, he got squished, brother.
Get in there.
Like, Junk's is gonna keep me full charge, so.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
Nice one.
Oh, res. Oh, behind.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Dead.
I think that was a perfect swap.
Yeah, that was really good. I probably should have switched because Diva's my counter, but I wasn't getting harassed by Diva, so I felt like it was okay to stay.
Nah, you're doing fine.
I could have switched. Maybe.
Hey, you're doing fine.
Prepare your defenses.
Okay, who should I play? Orisa or...
Even the DPS agrees with your.
No.
You've got 23 assists, I got 23 elims, like come on.
I feel like I'm helping, but I have also died 3 times.
Both to be honest, heals. Yeah, you see that? Look at that. Get acknowledged, bitches. I'm not getting acknowledged, but whatevs. Tank repeat. Okay, thank you.
I will not leave a broken world behind. Stay sharp. It's harder to keep you alive when you're distracted.
Figured that it's just I can't spell.
That was meant to be team chat.
Cries in gay? Just cries.
Attackers incoming. Defend.
I come in peace. love you.
I'm peace.
I am peace. Oh, they have
Jumping.
Marissa jump. Oh, I got you, Hunter.
Loading.
Marissa won't work against me.
How long do you reckon it'll take for her to figure it out?
About that long.
It's a bit of a tank there for at the moment anyway.
They're Reinhardt
Yeah.
now. Okay, Reinhardt's pretty strong.
They did some shit, okay.
Reinhardt's a solid swap, I'll give him that, honestly. He's going right side for the charge, I think.
It's main at the moment.
But Junkrat's right side.
Oh, Hanzo got pushed hard, but he's alive. He's alive. Oh my god, I got you. Oh, I got anti.
Sleep.
Yeah, tanks one.
Huge sleeve.
Absolutely huge sleeve.
Just like pop your pussy harder, baby. Like I said, he's an amazing fucking Ana. Like I can't fault him. He's so good. He's
Have you
saved my
seen
life
me,
so many
Ana?
times. No, I haven't.
Oh, you gotta see me play Ana. Junkrat's just sitting in this corner.
He's waiting for Mercy.
Who jumped behind? Who jumped behind?
No one's up behind.
Oh, I thought someone jumped behind.
No, we thought it was junk.
Okay, the tank's loaded, tanks and dying.
He's dead.
Oh my fucking god, I'm here.
I'm about to have ult.
I'm just damage boosting, so pop your pussies.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
No.
Oh, big! I came. Straight come. Just out my
Nice.
pussy. Just
You know, I'm good at making people do that.
I love that. It's the first time I've felt something in so long.
TMI.
I don't care. Since when have you known me to give a shit, brother?
I wasn't talking to you.
What the fuck? We're not racist here. They can TMI. Oh,
Thanks for the
shit.
full charge.
Sleep.
Oh, big sleep! I'm damage boosting the...
I'm just gonna hold my ult for when they start to push, by the way.
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm sorry. I got
This
you,
is
baby.
Junkrat. Junk's flanking, high ground. I'm pushing, I'm chasing.
I'm helping.
He's 1 HP.
He's dead.
Good job.
Huge.
I'm going back to main.
Phantom is killing me.
I made a trap apparently.
I got you, don't even worry about it.
I wanted to try and charge me.
He did.
Okay, well I'm gonna ult in this. I'll ult now.
You're damage boosted. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's fine.
Tracer on point.
I got you.
Huge.
Oh,
Tracer might have ult.
I'm
She
sorry,
does.
I just bubbled myself.
I got the res. Oh, I missed one of our DPS. I'm sorry.
They just died anyway.
Ana, I'm killing Ana. I'm just gonna straight kill Ana. So
Yeah.
Ana stops healing. Is she fucking... I fucked it. Oh, sorry, thank you.
I'm
Easy, well played.
See, I'm a better support than I am DPS!
I think it might be a bit of a tank though.
That too? Oh, 100% too. What the fuck?
Tank.
And also, yeah. Always.
You got a copy of the bottles?
Pardon?
Read the chat.
What chat? What did I do?
I love you.
Team
Beth.
chat.
Oh, I love you too. Wait, I can't reply to them. I feel bad. I didn't even see it. Oh my god. I